Good morning. Sorry I got late to the stream and I'm in a trade right now, so I think we might just get the win on this. I'm hoping so. It's kind of near the lows. I don't know. We've been trending up a lot. I don't know if we're actually gonna move down here, but looks promising. 17. We'll see. I want to just take it off now, just to get a win in, because it doesn't look like it's gonna do it. But uh, I'll let it sit. Come on, motherfucker. Oh my god. Don't stall out there. Don't stall out there. I think it did. Bummer, that was close. I mean, it still could go, but feel less successful about that. Sorry, I'm trying to get the music on. Alright, that's enough. Jesus. Should I take it off here? Because it doesn't look like it wants to go. Or, come on. Just break this. Break that 85. We're gonna break the 85. Come on, just break it down. If you don't break it this time, I'm gonna fucking flatten. Alright, alright. Ah, this is annoying. It's right at the hourly point of control. Come on, come on. Alright, alright. We're doing something. We're getting close. Come on. Oh my god. Whatever. That was, first of all, an amazing entry. Literally top tick that at 20,011. We would have gotten the full fill. I didn't want to hold that anymore. That is awesome. Okay, sick. But yeah, I literally had just like logged on. I wasn't paying attention to where everything was at, so I should have had this set up better, but I didn't. Anyway, that's fine. I just need to get back to. That look better. Oh, see, look at that. At least I didn't go for the lows. Or past the lows, I don't know. But anyway, top tier pick right there. My god. I just really wish I could figure out why the maybe I gotta close the application and restart it. I figure out why this music doesn't want to pop on. Hello. Why aren't you working? Alright, well. Oh, wait, I think I found it. Where? Yeah, it should be that one, right? Come on. Play us a tune. How do I get this stupid thing to work? Oh. Never mind, it was working. It was just me. Heard. Okay.
Started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked.
Is this music loud enough? All right. Okay, so this should be good, right? Maybe turn music on just a tad. But I think this is good. I like this. Okay, well, first trade of the day. Plan on trading for longer, just because I think it's something I gotta do. Get some moolah back. Obviously, I kind of blew it Tuesday, but so I gotta work to get those losses back. Yeah, it was definitely a lot of frustration. It was too choppy those 3 days leading up to FOMC, and I didn't trade yesterday because I was at work all day. But would have been nice to. There was some good price action there.
Critical retaliation for this one won't be minimal, cause I'm a criminal. Way before the rap shit, bust the gat shit. Puff won't even know what happened if it's done smoothly. Silencers on the Uzi, stash in the hoopty. My alibi, any cutie. With the booty that done fuck Big Pop. Head spinning, reminiscing about my man C.
Okay, so we hit our 50 EMA and then we're pulling back. I don't know. I'm looking at my 30-minute and I'm seeing it kind of went past the lows a little bit of overnight and then back at yesterday morning. Okay. Yesterday morning was. Huh. Okay. So that's interesting. Rock had a grip, so they formed up a clique, a small crew. Around the time I was locked up with you, true indeed. But nigga, let me proceed. Don't fill them clips too high, get them bullets room to breathe. Damn, where was I? Yeah, went out of town, blew the fuck up. D-Rock went home and Jay got stuck the fuck up. Hit him twice, caught him right for the Persian wife. Pistol whipped his kids and taped up his wife.
He figure rock set him up, no question. Wet him up, no less than 50 shots in his direction. How many shots, man, nigga? I see mad holes. What kind of gas? Richland cots and calicos. But fuck that, I know where all them niggas rest at. In the building hustling, and they don't be strapped. Supreme and black is downstairs, the engine running. Find a bag to put the guns in and come on if you're coming. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Bitch.
Today's high, yesterday's low. We're sitting at 19. Alright. Are we gonna break that or just move back up? Probably gonna, looks like we're just consolidating here at the bottom. I realized there was another thing I should start doing, is just drawing lines, just to help me like maintain where stuff is at and going. Gives me an overall bigger perspective of my trading, so it reminds me of where the highs and lows are at. I think, I don't know, I was just back testing yesterday because I didn't trade, and then I was like, huh, I could have, I think I would have seen more trades if I had done that, giving myself visual cues. So okay, so we did reject right there and came back in. And came back down to our lows here, but yeah, I'm curious. I don't know if what am I saying? I don't know. Curious if we're gonna break it, I guess. It seems like it. I mean, we almost hit all-time highs and then didn't. Although maybe we did on the actual NASDAQ, not the futures. I'm not sure. Made a 5-minute video and the average view duration was 3 minutes. That is actually really good. Fortunately though, people are not clicking on it. I like that, that's pretty cool. Okay, so broke that. Still haven't touched yesterday's low. I don't know what that means though. So, for those of you out there who know, now you know. I was thinking I should watch more assets, you know, like MES and MQ too, but every time I do that, I kind of forget to watch it, and then I don't trade it, and then when I do trade it, it's usually to take a loss, so I don't know if I want to do that. But let's just look at it anyway. Alright, well, if you're looking to buy off the lows, I think we took a little liquidity sweep and then bought back up. If that's how liquidity sweeping works. Alright. Wasn't watching, but I guess technically I could have looked for something here, but I really don't look for pullbacks when it's off of a low or consolidation. It's just usually it means something else. Boop boop. I'm looking at a inverse head and shoulders pattern on MES, so I don't know how often those work out, but it's starting to look like it's not something that's going to work out. I will say the one thing about MES is it's a lot smoother, it's less whippy. NASDAQ is just will whip you out. I used to trade the ES back in the day, but when I was first learning, and then I just eventually got pulled into the NASDAQ because it seemed more fun. All right, there you go. That's working out. Could have been a nice buy there if you decide to buy that. I didn't. I just I really do need to figure out more strategies, but I'm just absolutely shit at trading most of the time, and trying to find something that keeps my brain like consistent is hard, so I only really go off of expanding, I guess, what I already know how to trade that makes sense and works pretty decently for me. Like this trade right here, obviously that was really great for me. All right, now we're gonna break out here probably, or we'll just touch it and move down, but it doesn't seem like it. That's another strategy you could utilize is trend line trading. Because it's the only thing is it's entirely subjective. So, well, actually, all trading's subjective, but I don't know. I guess it's more, I guess, dependent on how good you are at reading price action, but all right. You know what? Maybe that's something I need to backtest. Start looking at how to utilize trend lines just to predict the next price movement. Because I really think that's all you're doing or trying to do with a trend line. It's not like a magic line. It's just predicting future price action. And this might be. I'm curious if it would be a good way to just scalp, or should you hold it for the next prediction? So if I was predicting, you know, it to reject off of there, I would expect it to come back somewhere over here. And you know, I used to trade like that when I was first learning to trade, but I think I stopped just due to not fully understanding it and then being really frustrated and blowing myself out. But perhaps I've been too harsh. I judged it too harshly. Huh. Alrighty then. So yeah, I guess if you were following trend lines, magic yellow lines, that would have worked out pretty well for you. Would have been a decent trade. Okay. I'm gonna keep my eye on that. Because I mean, that's all trading is you are predicting future price movements. And so whatever can help you figure that out in your own head, so be it. So I'm thinking this, you know, you might lose on this, but hey, take a trade. I mean, we do seem to be in this triangle formation. If I'm not familiar, but I think pattern wise, that's like a bear flag. So we might break out at some point to the downside. I think that's how that works. What? No, it's, oh, today's the 20th. What? Oh my god, guys. 8 more days to my birthday. Can't be. I'm excited. Yeah, there are. Damn. That is a great way to trade. At least right now. I gotta rework my I guess journal book, because there's really some useless information in there.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on the side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guy. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them never put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fuck up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag now. I'm not
Lively music, eh? Hey. Alright, looks like we're gonna get that breakdown. Looks like it. Don't quote me on that.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on the side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride.
Nice, very nice. And I think at that point I would have held it for a break even, you know. So, yeah, that shit's pretty cool. So if you're a bit aggressive, a nice buy here, sell here, buy here, but break even. Yeah, we just keep knocking on those lows there. And then pulling back, so I don't know what it wants to do. It just keeps making a new low. So we're channeling lower. My predictive model was wrong. Now we're in a channel down, not a triangle. I don't know how much I trust this, but hop in now, I guess. We'll write it back up to the top, buddy. Yeah, because we keep having these little like spike downs and then support really right here. So the bottom could fall out soon, but we're gonna see. So I gotta edit that.
I used to break in the inner, and take out running like the game of temple. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rest, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that bitch, then I temple. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from LA, but I clip her. Double my cup or a triple. Boss on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that back on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the back of them vegetables. Back of them cookies is medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I think I'm blending on Nebula. As an F on the M's on my schedule. You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast.
Okay. I think we're finally selling off, maybe. I'm curious if we pull back to our EMAs here, but and like reject, but I don't think we will.
Middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby. Just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm fascinated. Two bitches so fine that I masturbated. Congratulations. She bring me so good that I graduated. They had to hate it. I don't fuck with them niggas, they plastic, baby. A trapper, baby. I rap what I own on my masters, baby. It's tragic, baby. I pull up and fuck up the traffic, baby. A savage, baby. I'm killing these niggas, cold casket, baby.
Alright, there we go. We fell out. Oh, what's up, my guy? Oh, thank you. It is fire music. It's not mine, but you know, it is his playlist somewhere. Hey, sometimes I gotta keep myself entertained, alright? Alright, so there we go. We're gonna fall all the way back to... I assume we're gonna go like, I don't know, is this the weekly VWAP? But you know, back to where we were resisting a breakout at, so somewhere in the 800s was probably where we'll go where we reverse from, but who knows? Alright, so I kind of expect us to pull back to an EMA. Reject, but I don't want to be an ass by assuming be made an ass out of by assuming. Yes, there we go. Kicking Shit. That's the name of the song. It's pretty good.
All I do is pop more bottles and give them to you. All they ever do is bring more problems to listen to. My chains, my ring on bang, they do all this. I was kicking shit with your bitch, she did all of the truth. Got a bitch waiting in the lounge. I done had to move a few pounds. Looking at my chain, don't drown. And they put the diamonds in his mouth. All bad bitch pop out. When a nigga stepping at the house. Every day we walk the red carpet. Every day one of my hoes falling. Got a bitch waiting in the lounge. I done had to move a few pounds. Looking at my chain, don't drown. And they put the diamonds in his mouth. All bad bitch pop out. When a nigga stepping at the house. Every day we walk the red carpet. Every day one of my hoes falling. All I do is pop more bottles and give them to you. All they ever do is bring more problems to listen to. My chains, my ring on bang, they do all this. I was kicking shit with your bitch, she did all of the truth. All I do is pop more bottles and give them to you. All they ever do is bring more problems to listen.
Man, I'm tired though. I worked like 14 hours yesterday. Still haven't recovered. Alright, pushing back up here.
Ain't nobody fucking with me, man. He man, ski man, spending next week's cash. He fast, and I don't even need a G-Pass. I'm past that. I'm passing them out now, and you can't have that. Hit my chain, too can't Sam that. Tropical colors, you can't match that. Gotta be abstract. You catch my girl legs open, better smash that. Don't be surprised if she asks where the cash at. I see she wearing them jeans that show her butt crack. My girls can't wear that. Why? That's where my stash at. I put my Mac down. That's where you lack at. She need a candle lit, and I'ma wax that. I rekindled the flame. She remembered the name. His
Alrighty.
baby January, December the
Just
same.
do nothing here.
That brain. Mama give me that good.
Man, I need coffee.
Fire, man. You hear the fire truck. Fresh on campus is the Birdman Jr. Money too long, teachers put away your rulers. Raw tune, not a cartoon. No shirt, tattoos, and some wall wounds.
Sexy.
I'm hot, but the car cool. She wet, that's a carpool. Been in that water since a youngin', you just shark food. Quick draw McGraw, I went to art school. Yeah, the lights is bright, but I got a sharp fuse. Don't snooze, been handling the game so long, my thumb
Alright.
bruise. Your new girlfriend is old news. You ain't got enough green and she's so blue. Yeah, cash money records where dreams come true. Everything is easy, baby. Leave it up to easy, baby. Put it in a pot, let it steam, let it brew. Now watch it melt, don't burn yourself. Cause I'm the fireman. Riding by myself, well, really not really. So heavy in the trunk, make the car pop a wheelie. Who we see pay? Working on a weekend like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
Let's see what we do.
Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts.
Yes, I know.
Caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, your man a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size
All
of
right.
the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep
So
end
there's your
like
smaller pullback.
Niggas swear they passed us, they doing
See what this does. Obviously fast and aggressive here, but still want to keep this bigger one in play. That was something I noticed yesterday is, you know, keep in mind the bigger pullback, the bigger overall, I guess, structure. Because if we broke that, I would assume a change in direction. I'm a little nervous this won't work out, but just that's how you risk, baby. That's how you risk. I love this music. Do we pull back? No, we no pull back. All right, pulling back pretty hard here. And then nothing. You know what's funny though is I've never done well on rollover week and I still traded it anyway. So I should not have attempted to do that, but I did. Alright, come on, just give me a quick pop up and a quick pop down. That would be so fun. It might do it, it might not. I'm a little weary of it, but this might be a terrible idea just because of how extended we are, but I would say too much of a reason yet not to be taking this, so.
You got money on your mind, it's all it is. And you're trying to get me down with all of it. I don't care, money on your mind, it's all it is. I'm staying out of it. Oh, see, you got dollars in your pockets.
feels like it's gonna like pop, you know, like explode upwards. Feels like it's loading up, but that's just a feeling. I don't really have too much reason to think that. New 5 minute. What do you want to do here, Johnny?
And I was scared and super dumb to call this guy at like 3 in the morning.
Starting to lose my patience. Alright. I think we're just gonna wait, see what kind of reaction we get out of it. Alright, well, trying to put in a bottom in here. Okay. I guess that's all I could do. And that's okay. Gotta stop listening to music. It's putting me to sleep. No trust. Damn, dude, do that shit. That sucks. Today is Friday. we should have more trades, and typically I see them a little bit later, like 11, if they aren't showing themselves. So. Ah, there we go, a little breakdown. Let's move this down.
I went from rags to riches, quick to socializing with the baddest bitches. Went from a bucket to a rag with switches. I'm seeing death around the corner. I'm bumping doing 90 cause I wanna. I'm getting high like I said it was some chocolate time. Mr. Some Indonesia, watch me fry. And even though I know the cops behind me, hit the weed enough. I continue doing 90. Will I get caught? Another ticket, get the kick it in court. Fuck the law, give a shit, I'm even worse than before. I know they wanna see a nigga blurry, but I ain't worried, still throwing these things. Got me locked in these chains, and hey nigga, what the fuck is you wailing about? Soon as I hit the sale, I'll be bailing out. And when I hit the streets, I'm in the rush, the ball, I'm screaming thug life, nigga. Fuck y'all.
Fresh out the motherfucking pack of red world premiere. Silk individual,
Right.
bounce line fed.
Breaking 900.
Niggas fall to their worst fear. Our tails and braille for vision impaired. You looking for P? Well, you can find them everywhere. In a project near you, I'll be right there. I was brought up and taught to have no fear. Live wire niggas, they behind me in the red. Cavalry horse, step aside, stand clear. Bloodthirsty niggas got their eyes on you. QBC, line Bacardi, golf off a par 3. On some hashies, embassy suite, crash party. It's a G.O.D. Fall part 3.
Just keep running. Alright, so I'm curious if we reverse somewhere here in the 800s. We'll see, but I don't know. No pullbacks, just straight down. You know, this is something I also have been thinking. If it's clearly just going down, why not just extend a trend line from the top and just take a sell in there and just hold it, and then just hold it until it breaks, or I don't know. But I don't really like that line of thinking, but it could work. But ladies, fuck with me. I'm super flat. Alright, pulling back to our EMAs here. Finally a bounce. What I tell you though, we got a bounce. It'd probably be somewhere in the 800s. I was thinking closer to 840, but 860 seems to be the one. So don't know if I should take a trade, but I'm gonna see if there's any consolidation somewhere around our 60s. I have been looking for more of a longer, higher term, I guess, trading strategy with a platform, or like higher time frame trading to take bigger targets. And I would like to do that with the take profit trader. I'd like to trade their accounts to do that because of how you can get daily payouts and there's no consistency rule, so I can technically make, you know, like let's just say I pass in 1 day. I think it's minimum 3 days, but whatever. Pass however you want, and then getting payouts day one. So I think that would be very profitable for me, even if I'm burning through accounts, just, you know, getting lucky one of those days, getting a massive payout that day. And but I have yet to successfully trade, successfully trade on higher time frames. Okay. Looks like we're holding support on our 20, pushing back up.
Yeah. Whoa. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Hey, big talks of the town, big boy gang moves. I like to walk around, put my chain loose. She just bought a new ass
Sorry, I forgot I was trading here. I got really into the music. Alright, pushing up, breaking down, pushing up, breaking down. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. Donuts. Yeah, that's right. It's a healthy breakfast. Hostess. Anyway, we ain't doing shit right now. I assumed we were gonna bounce off somewhere in 800 and just continue onward, but oh, we're gonna find out. Hello. Remember when the NASDAQ used to move slower or less volatile, like a 10 and below ATR. Alright. Not quite what I was hoping for. Some liquidity sitting at the 20s. Either stops or other sell orders. I haven't really learned how to read liquidity like that. But definitely a lot of volume sitting at 920. Get something at 9:15. See what happens.
I'ma go fuck that bitch. I'ma go dash that bitch. Shawty gon' suck this dick. Shawty gon' suck this dick. That's a pull up bitch. Them makes me pull up. Yeah, I smash that drop, then pull up bitch. Might push the flacco, watch me pull up. Take your chain, little bitch. I'm on Devo lit. I'm on Migo lit. I'm on Kilo lit. I go psycho bitch. Watch me suck your bitch. Watch me dash that bitch. Then I pass that bitch. Got the product bitch. Got one for the zip. Got that product bag. Got one for my bitch.
There you go.
Little boy hit like bleach. Little boy did my bitch. Got me mad as shit. So I got the bitch. I ain't even hopping the coupe. Yeah, the bitch gon' start with the click. I ain't even fucking the stock. Yeah, the bitch got to start with the click. Yeah, all of my diamond they flash. All of my diamond legit. All of these diamonds they cost. Slay, move like a boss. Slay, move like a boss. I got that dope kilo. Yeah, come fuck with the burst. Smoking that gas, this. Yeah, it smoke like a boss. Yeah, she throwing me back like a fridge. Yeah, like a boss. I'ma go fuck that bitch. I'ma go dash that bitch. Shawty gon' suck this dick. Shawty gon' suck this dick. That's a pull up bitch.
I've blown past all that.
Yeah, I smash that drop, then pull up bitch. Might push the flacco, watch me.
Alright, well, this is taking too long. I gotta go. I got things going on. Camera view is a little weird. That's okay. Alright, well, thank you for being here.